Rapunzel! Flower gleam and glow, let your power shine. Let's do our tower pose, jumping our feet wide, arms wide and hands up above our head. Stretching our arms up high and lowering them down with a ka-lunk. She bonks him on the head with a frying pan. Bring our hands to the inside of our foot and drop down onto our back knee. And if we like, we can go a little bit lower, like a skulking chameleon. They're going to have the best day ever. It's Pascal and Rapunzel's first taste of freedom. And here come the sky lanterns. Let's do our sky lantern pose again. Lying on our backs, arms wide, lifting our legs up to the sky and twinkling our toes. It's so beautiful and sparkly. Rapunzel feels so much love for this place, for the sky lanterns, and for Flynn. And the pile of dust that was Mother Gothel blows out of the window. Let's do a big blow. Ready? Let's do our hot air balloon pose. Cupping our hands around our mouth. Big breath in and blow. Off they go into the pink-purple sky, through the clouds, full of love and happiness. Let's take a moment now to lie all the way down with our arms by our sides, our body feeling heavy and floppy, like spaghetti. We take a big breath in through our nose and out through our mouth.